IKEA haul for you guys. Let's jump right in. First thing on the list is what I really went there for. This is a yellow step stool for my daughter's bathroom. Ooh, I will not be trying to pronounce any of these names. It won't happen. Next up, 2 cloud lamps. You can stick them on the wall. I believe they're not battery operated. Yes, they have a cord, so they have to be plugged in, and they come with like a switch. That's so cute. We have some coasters, gold coasters. What's the name? I have these storage bins inside of my TV stand, so I bought some more. I really like those. My daughter is about to have a loft bed, so I went ahead and bought her this like pink bed pouch so she can put like her phone or tablet or whatever she wants to put in it, so she won't have to get up and down every 5 minutes when she is laying down resting. And last but not least, we have these 2. These are floating shelves. Pretty cool. They're both in white. I only got 2. That's all they had. And that's it.